after those two phases of due diligence, the contracting authority, that is Kotrako, was of the view that the proponent passed the test, was of the very considered view that the proponent passed the test, following those two phases of due diligence, as provided for under Section 41 of the PPP Act. We had no knowledge of any other adverse matters that could have come to light, maybe now or some months or weeks earlier. And therefore, we are proceeding on the basis of the outcome of the very rigorous due diligence exercise that was undertaken by the contracting authority.